Hi. Under this extra session, we are going to learn about how we can use the loop until along with container operation. In this container operation, we will be looking into how we can use the arithmetic operation. We have already seen how we can set a flag for a value in the container operation. This time, we will see how we can increase or decrease or multiply the value in the container operation. So let's go and check it out. Here you can see that already one workflow is here. We are sending the email for approval. Now let's suppose your requirement is something like that. Here you are determining the agent dynamically, maybe with the help of a rule. So in that case, it will first go to the first determined agent. Once the first agent approves it, then it should go to the higher level of agent for the approval. Once the second higher level also going to approve, then it should go for the third higher level. This agent determination is happening dynamically. This part we will see in the coming classes. As of now, you just understand that I am the same agent, and what I want that I want to send the approval work item three times. Once it goes, once it completes for three times, then it will come out from the loop. So for that purpose, what I'm doing here, you can see that counter, we have created one container variable over here. Double click on this. Its type is int1. There is no properties assigned. Simply we have, there is no initial value also. By default it will be 0 because it's the integer data type, right? Simple one counter variable we have defined. A step name we have given increase counter with 1 when it is approved. Outcome will be approved increase by 1. So when one agent is going to approve, then the counter value is going to get increased by 1. Here you have the multiple option: multiply, add, subtract, divide. Based upon your requirement, you can use anyone. Save it. One thing, the important point over here, like if you simply put the counter over here, it will not work. You know, it will give you the error. So if you save it and try to check it, it will give the error expression counter does not correspond to data type and this. What you will have to do that this particular value you will have to choose it from here, you know and it will come like this inside the ampersand. Then use the operation and then give the value by which you want to increase. And under the result statement, a result element, here also it's good practice to choose from the F4. So choose from here, right? This is how you will have to define. And under loop until condition, I want to do this loop three times because I want to send for three level approval. So counter we are setting as 3. Here counter we have selected by double clicking over here, and here 3 we have selected by going the value and putting the value 3 over here and pressing enter. Now come here, just click on this save OK button and click on this activate, and now you can see that it got activated successfully. We can ignore the warning at this moment. These are just information message. Let's test it. Execute this one and give some PO number over here. PO number I'm going to give maybe 66666, something like that, and click on this execute button. Go to the log and you will see that it has come over here for approval, right? So go back and go to the business workplace and click on this inbox, go to the workflow, and here you can see that send for approval PO this. Double click over here. First time I'm approving because we are not here dynamically determining the agent. Every time it will come to me only. So I'm clicking on this approve button. Again, I'm clicking on the approve button. And again, third time also I'm going to click on approve button. So when you click on this approve button at third time, loop will be terminated because the condition will be met. I will show you in the workflow log. Come over here and you can come here and you can see that here PO type for this, send for PO approval, increase counter with 1 when it is approved. So first time it got approved, we have increased the counter by 1, right? Again, it is coming to the loop, send work item for approval until counter equal to 3. So the loop is getting executed and counter is 1. So again going for approval. Again, it got approved and increased counter by 1, right? Because it's again less than 3, so it will go for approval and now it will become 3 once the counter will increase by 1, and hence the condition will be true and it will come out from the loop. If you can come to the counter, you will be able to see that counter is now 3, right? And that's how. So here my main motto was to show you how to use the counter with container operation in order to increase or decrease or multiply the value. So hope it's clear. Thank you.